All right, welcome back to another episode of All the Things Entertainment. Got everything fit pretty close. Gonna clean up the welds and weld it together. So, note to everybody, I'm not a welder, so don't make fun of my crappy welds. I hope, Dad, if you're watching this, hope I make you proud. So, here we go. Alright, so this is where I'm at. And then I made this cool plate. Throw on here. And weld that to reinforce it. So I'm going to add some spray paint to have some corrosion protection. I'll probably dry in the areas where I'm gonna weld. Got the plate made, and I put some paint behind there and then ground it off where I'm gonna weld. So, corrosion protection. If I probably should add a little more paint there. Kind of grinded a little bit off cleaning this, so probably do that. But yeah, pretty much just weld that on for extra support, and one on the bottom. Let's do this. Alright, this is where I'm at. Some of these welds are not too pretty. Had to figure out the machine. My wire feed was too high. But I also put a bracket here. Look at these welds. Not too bad. So, I don't know. Doing alright. I guess now I'm on this side now. Just gotta weld that together. And all those. And I guess clean it up. Grind off all the excess and paint it so it doesn't rust. And then drop the engine in. So, hope you guys are enjoying this welding series. Let's finish it up. This is the right side. Gotta weld it up. Decent welds, I guess. I don't know. Look pretty good to me though. So I'm gonna do this. And then I'm gonna add this on top. And weld this on. Boom. Getting better at this welding stuff. Better than that side, I think. Yeah. Heck yeah. We're making progress. Okay. I don't know. That hole, that's part of the frame, so. But I think it'll hold. Those holes are part of the frame as well. Probably not the prettiest welds in the world, but definitely not the worst. All I need to do now is weld this baffle, weld this baffle, weld this top of the core support, and then we're done welding. Okay, got everything grinded up. Got all the welds cleaned up over here and over here. So now I just need to clean everything up and then paint. And then I guess drop the engine in. So I'll do that on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time.